California's population has doubled in the last 40 years. There are now 37 million people living here, pulling 250 million megawatt hours a year from the grid. At the Northern California Power Agency, we realized long ago that meeting California's crushing energy needs shouldn't come at the expense of the environment. Our geothermal plant at the Geysers came online a quarter century ago. Since then, we've added hydro, solar, and wind power to our collective portfolio. We've helped to make California one of the most energy-efficient states in the Union by providing affordable, renewable power. But by increasing our reliance on nature, we also place ourselves at its whims. We have to make up our energy shortfall on dark and windless days. So in 2007, we took another step into the future of clean, self-sufficient energy production. We broke ground on the most cutting-edge, energy-efficient gas power plant in the country with technology pioneered by Siemens, the Lodi Energy Center.
It's been a long road to get here. We started this probably a decade ago with the first thought, and this is the first one.
The Lodi Energy Center is a 300-megawatt, high-precision, natural gas-fired power plant, emitting drastically less NOx and carbon dioxide than power plants of similar output by utilizing what's known as a combined cycle system with fast start technology.
So we actually have two generators on site, one with a steam turbine and the gas turbine to make power.
The waste heat from the main gas turbine drives a smaller secondary steam turbine, which helps to keep down both energy costs and carbon output. But what's really revolutionary about LEC is that it was specifically designed to work hand in glove with renewables. This is how. There are certain times of the day we can rely on sun and wind to help meet our state's energy needs. During those times, LEC can be turned off. But when Mother Nature decides to take a break, LEC can be turned on, just like flicking a switch.
We can ramp up or we can ramp down. So if a cloud goes over a solar panel or the wind stops blowing, we can adapt to that.
Where LEC was built is also key in making it both energy and cost efficient. The plant was constructed adjacent to a natural gas supply line and the California power grid. Recycled wastewater from the city of Lodi is used to cool the turbines. Surprisingly, all of these environmentally sound features actually help drive energy costs down. LEC will supply electricity at very affordable rates for consumers.
Currently, our members and participants' bills for their consumers will be about 25% below Pacific Gas and Electric bills.
It is my honor to officially dedicate the Lodi Energy Center to the service of millions of Californians for decades to come.
The Lodi Energy Center created a buzz even before it came online. Dignitaries from around the country attended the dedication ceremony that really felt more like a celebration, honoring the far-sighted and brilliant work of a dedicated team.
10, 20, 30 years from now, as this whole energy crisis unfolds, I know that we're going to be so grateful that this plant was built in Lodi. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
Kudos were even transmitted by video from both Sacramento and D.C.
The Lodi Energy Center will sit at the cutting edge of technology as the cleanest, most efficient natural gas power plant in California.
Today proves that improving the economy, increasing energy production, and protecting the environment can go hand in hand.
So for all the people who put it together, thanks a lot for your hard and creative work.
The Lodi Energy Center represents diverse partners of public power utilities and public agencies, like Bay Area Rapid Transit, Silicon Valley Power, and the California Department of Water Resources. So now, power from LEC not only keeps the lights on, but also helps get commuters to work, fuels the high-tech industry and delivers water to farmers. The Lodi Energy Center represents the future of California's energy needs.